Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the rear wiper on your Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. So we're not going to do anything but the stalk, the key's not in the car because we don't want the wiper to go off when we're about to do it. So this is it here, and all you have to do is you have to lift it up like so. And if you were to use two hands, I'm going to show you in a minute, you're going to put force with your thumb on this bit here. This whole thing just needs to lift out towards you, but if you use your thumb and use force there, it will then allow you to do it in a more controlled manner. There you go, so it clips out nicely there when you use your thumb. And then when you get your replacement one, there isn't actually anything wrong with this one. You're going to be putting that axle in to that bit there and make sure that it's the right way around. So you can see it can only fit with this bit here is going to be coming out here, so it can only go in one way. So when you're putting it in, use a nice bit of strength and it will click firmly. There you go, so that was a nice confirmation click into place. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching.